Today I'm going to show you how to make a coffee cake with coffee buttercream. For the cake you will need 175 grams of butter or margarine, 175 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of self-raising flour, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and 1 tablespoon of boiling water. To start with, add your boiling water to your instant coffee granules and just give it a mix until it's well combined, and then just pop this to one side. And then to your butter add your caster sugar and mix until really well combined and cream together. Then add your eggs and your coffee mixture and mix again until well combined. Then finally add your self-raising flour and just mix until you have a nice smooth batter. Then to a greased and lined cake tin, mine was 6 inches or 15 centimetres, just add your cake batter. Then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for around about an hour and 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out the middle clean. Then allow your cake to cool, and once cooled we want to make our buttercream. So for the buttercream you will need 115 grams of icing sugar, 50 grams of butter, 2 teaspoons of instant coffee and 2 teaspoons of hot water. And like last time, to your instant coffee add your hot water and then mix until well combined. And then you want to pop this to one side to allow it to cool. Then to your icing sugar you want to add your butter, and you want to make sure the butter is room temperature, otherwise it's going to make this step harder. And then using a fork you just want to mash your butter into your icing sugar. So this is the method for doing buttercream without a mixer. However, if you do have a mixer and you want to use it, by all means go for it. I just like to show the way of using things without expensive equipment. And then once you've mashed your butter into your icing sugar as much as it will combine, you then want to start adding your instant coffee mix a little bit at a time, just mixing it again, and then this should start to bring it together as your buttercream. You probably won't need all of your coffee mix to bring it together to a buttercream. However, if you do use it all and you need a little bit more liquid because your buttercream is too thick, you can use milk or you can use a little bit of water to thin it out. But like I say, a little bit at a time because it is easier to add liquid than take it away. And then once you have a buttercream that you're happy with the consistency of, we then want to assemble our cake. So to your now cooled cake, you just want to chop it in half. Spread your buttercream in the middle and then sandwich it together. And there you have it. That's how you make a coffee cake with coffee buttercream.